Hi, Chuck Parsons here again, Training and Educational Manager here at HPC. We're coming to you from our production floor. Today we're going to go over our electronic ignition testing. As you know, every appliance that we build here at HPC is fully tested. Last step of construction is the test. Before we send it over to shipping, it gets put in the box and shipped out. Here we've got one of our rectangular units. We're going to be testing an electronic ignition on-off here today. And we'll go ahead and go through the process here. We'll point out a couple of things. This is John. He is our production floor tester. He handles all of our testing from our electronic ignition all the way down to our match lit. So here we go. So first thing he's going to do is go through the valve box itself. He's going to make sure everything's wired correctly. He's going to pull on some wires, just make sure they're seated right. He's going to go through there, make sure if there's any gas conversions, whether it's LP, natural gas. But again, the very first step there is going to be his valve box. As you can see here, he just went through the ignition process. It fired right up. His next step here, he's going to go and do a leak check. If you notice here, he's going to go through all of the gas pipe fittings just to make sure we're not leaking any kind of fuel inside the box or even outside the box as well. Sometimes he will take flames to some fittings. Again, the flame is just going to indicate whether there's a leak or not. This here is actually a 24 volt unit. As you can see, the power supply there, we've just got two wires coming out of the box. We do have a 3-minute burn on these, meaning that once he fires it up, the unit has to burn, has to stay burning for 3 minutes. But as you can see here, pilot lit right away, burner went right off. Notice the red light on the module. That tells us everything's okay during operation. That red light will stay on. So, as you can see, that's our testing process. Again, there's a lot of paperwork he's got to fill out. All of that paperwork stays here in the building. Again, EI on-off 24 volt LP tested. I'm Chuck, and remember, any of your fire pit needs, make sure you call HPC. Thank you.